Want to apply for the Bank of Baroda apprenticeship but confused about the NAPS portal process? Don't worry. In this video, I will show you the complete step-by-step application process in the easiest way possible. Step 1. Open Google and search for NAPS portal. Click on the official Apprenticeship India website and then select Candidate Login and Register. If you are a new user, register yourself as a candidate using your email ID and personal details. And if you already have an account, simply log in with your registered credentials. Once you log in successfully, look at the top section of the portal. You will find a search bar called Search Opportunities. Now, click on the search box and type the official role name Back Office Associate Financial Services version 1.0. As soon as you type it, matching roles will appear in the drop down menu. Select the correct role from the list. Next, scroll down carefully to find the Bank of Baroda apprenticeship vacancy available for your preferred location. Once you find it, click on the blue Apply button. A pop up will appear asking you to select your preferred location. Choose your location from the drop down menu and click on Apply again to confirm your application. And that's it. Your application will be submitted successfully. You will notice that the Apply button changes to Already Apply. One important thing to remember, apply for only one location or circle to avoid issues during the selection process. Also, you can find your NAPS ID anytime by visiting your profile section on the portal. I hope this video helped you understand the complete Bank of Baroda apprenticeship application process. If you found this useful, make sure to follow for more apprenticeship and job updates.
BFSI Sector Skill Council of India, building BFSI skills, empowering India.